Berberine is one of those natural compounds that really catches your attention when you learn about it. Found in plants like Goldenseal, Barberry, and Oregon grape, berberine has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine. I was amazed when I discovered that modern science is now confirming many of the benefits that ancient healers have known for years. Whether you're looking to manage your blood sugar or shed a few extra pounds, berberine might be just the natural support you need. One of the first things I learned about berberine is how it works inside our bodies. The magic really starts with an enzyme called AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK for short. Imagine AMPK as the body's energy sensor. It's always on the lookout to see if your cells are low on energy. When berberine activates AMPK, it kick-starts your metabolism. In other words, your body becomes more efficient at processing sugar and burning fat. This process is essential for keeping blood sugar levels in check and helping with weight management. When we talk about blood sugar, it's important to remember that keeping our blood sugar levels stable isn't only a concern for people with diabetes. Over time, even mild spikes in blood sugar can affect our overall health. I was really encouraged to find that several studies have shown that berberine can help lower fasting blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. In simple terms, when your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it can use this hormone more effectively. This means that after a meal, instead of experiencing a dramatic spike in blood sugar, your body handles sugar in a smoother, more balanced way. It's fascinating to think about how a natural supplement like berberine works in a way that is similar to some conventional medications, but without some of the unwanted side effects. The idea that nature can offer a gentle yet effective approach to something as complex as blood sugar management is really inspiring. For anyone who has struggled with sugar crashes or energy dips after eating, this could be a game changer. Of course, weight loss is another area where berberine shines. For me, the idea of losing weight isn't just about looking better. It's about feeling healthier and more energetic every day. When berberine activates that AMPK enzyme, it not only improves the way our bodies use energy, but also encourages fat burning. I like to think of it as giving your metabolism a much-needed jump-start. When you're burning calories more efficiently, even those stubborn pounds can start to melt away. But there's more to the story than just burning calories. Berberine also helps reduce the storage of fat in your body. It works on multiple levels by helping break down fats that have already been stored and by preventing the creation of new fat cells. This dual action is especially exciting for anyone who has ever struggled with weight loss. Of course, no supplement is a magic bullet, but when you combine berberine with a balanced diet and regular exercise, the benefits can really add up. It's comforting to know that the benefits of berberine aren't just based on traditional use or anecdotal evidence. There have been several clinical studies showing that regular use of berberine can significantly improve markers of metabolic health. Research has demonstrated that it not only helps lower blood sugar levels, but also can reduce cholesterol levels. This is great news for heart health, as high cholesterol is a known risk factor for many cardiovascular issues. The scientific backing gives me confidence that berberine is not only effective, but also safe when used appropriately. Speaking of safety, it's important to mention how to use berberine correctly. Most sources recommend a typical dosage of around 500 milligrams 2 to 3 times a day. However, this can vary depending on individual needs and the specific product you're using. I always advise starting with a lower dose to see how your body responds. And as with any supplement, it's really important to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you're already taking medication or have an underlying condition. This way, you can avoid any potential interactions and ensure that you're taking the right steps for your health. Taking berberine with meals is another key point. When you take it along with food, it can help maximize the effects on blood sugar control. I've found that setting a daily routine, like taking your supplement with breakfast, lunch, and dinner, helps keep everything consistent. Over time, these small steps can lead to noticeable improvements in energy levels, weight management, and overall well-being. Now, it's essential to remember that while berberine is powerful, it works best as part of a holistic approach to health. You can think of it as one piece of the puzzle. For example, pairing berberine with a balanced diet rich in whole foods can really enhance its benefits. A diet filled with fiber, lean proteins, and healthy fats not only supports stable blood sugar, but also boosts your metabolism and overall energy. When you add regular physical activity into the mix, you create a synergy that can significantly improve your metabolic health. I personally love how combining natural supplements like berberine with lifestyle changes makes the journey to better health feel so achievable. For me, it's about taking simple steps, like enjoying a healthy meal, taking my supplement, and maybe even taking a short walk afterward. Over time, these habits add up, and I've seen many people report improvements in their energy levels, weight loss, and even their overall mood. It's a reminder that our daily choices, no matter how small, can have a big impact on our long-term health. I've also come across numerous success stories from people who have included berberine in their health routines. These stories are incredibly inspiring. Whether it's a busy mom who found more energy to chase her kids, or someone who struggled with insulin resistance and finally managed to bring their blood sugar levels under control, each success story is a testament to the potential benefits of this natural supplement. Hearing about these experiences makes me even more optimistic about the role that natural compounds can play in our lives. Of course, I know that there are some common questions and even a few misconceptions about berberine. One question I often hear is whether it's safe to use berberine long-term. From what I've read, research supports its safety when taken at the recommended doses. However, it's always best to have a chat with your healthcare provider before making any long-term changes, especially if you have other health conditions. Another frequent question is whether berberine can replace prescription medications. While berberine does offer benefits similar to some medications, it's not meant to be a direct substitute. Instead, it can be used alongside other treatments as part of a comprehensive health plan. Some people might experience mild side effects, like digestive discomfort when they first start taking berberine. These issues are usually temporary and can often be minimized by taking the supplement with food. I've learned that being patient with your body and giving it time to adjust is really important. Just like any change in your routine, it might take a little while for your body to fully benefit from the new addition. For those who are serious about getting the most out of berberine, here are a few practical tips. First, consistency is really key. Making berberine part of your daily routine can help ensure you reap its full benefits. I like to set reminders on my phone to take my supplement with every meal. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Second, pairing berberine with a healthy, balanced diet is essential. Whole, unprocessed foods are your best friends when it comes to managing blood sugar and supporting weight loss. And third, staying active is just as important. Regular exercise not only boosts your metabolism, but also works in tandem with berberine to help keep your body functioning at its best. Another tip that I found incredibly helpful is keeping track of your progress. Whether it's noting changes in your energy levels, your weight, or even your mood, monitoring your progress can be a great way to stay motivated. It also helps you notice what works best for you and adjust your routine as needed. And don't forget to celebrate those small victories. Every positive change, no matter how minor it might seem, is a step in the right direction. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. Like and share this video to spread the wellness. One of the most encouraging aspects of using natural supplements like berberine is the reminder that health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making choices every day that support your overall well-being. While Berberine offers some exciting benefits, it's not a cure-all. Instead, it's a helpful tool that, when combined with good nutrition, exercise, and mindful living, can really elevate your health game. I find that this holistic approach makes the whole process feel more sustainable and less overwhelming. There's also a real beauty in the simplicity of natural remedies. In a world where it seems like everything is fast-paced and complicated, turning to nature for help can feel refreshing and grounding. Berberine is a great example of this. It reminds me that sometimes the solutions we're looking for have been around for centuries, quietly working their magic while we explore the latest high-tech breakthroughs. I've noticed that the more I learn about natural supplements and holistic health, the more I appreciate the wisdom of traditional medicine. There's a lot we can learn from ancient practices, and modern science is increasingly confirming that many natural compounds have genuine, measurable benefits. Berberine is a perfect case in point. It's a natural compound that's been trusted for generations, and now it's backed by solid scientific research. It has helped thousands of people burn stubborn fats and lower their blood sugar. Today is your turn, so click the link in the description to visit the official website of the Berberine supplement today at a promo price. In my own journey toward better health, I've found that it's all about balance. It's not about relying solely on one supplement or making drastic changes overnight. Instead, it's about gradually incorporating habits that nurture your body and mind. For me, that means enjoying a variety of healthy foods, staying active, and being open to trying natural supplements like Berberine that might give my body that extra support. Over time, these small mindful choices accumulate and lead to noticeable improvements in my health and overall quality of life. I'm also a big believer in listening to my body. Every person is unique, and what works wonderfully for one might not be as effective for another. That's why it's so important to be patient and to pay attention to how your body responds to any new supplement or lifestyle change. I always encourage everyone to share their experiences and learn from one another. After all, our personal stories can be some of the most powerful guides on our health journeys. The beauty of Berberine is that it doesn't require a complete overhaul of your lifestyle. Instead, it can be seamlessly integrated into your existing routine. Picture this. You wake up, enjoy a nutritious breakfast, take your Berberine supplement, and then go about your day feeling energized and balanced. Later, when you have your next meal, you do the same. Just a small, consistent act that supports your overall well-being. It's really that simple, and over time, these small actions can add up to big benefits. I've come across many success stories from people who have incorporated Berberine into their daily lives, and each one reinforces the idea that nature often provides effective solutions. Whether it's improved blood sugar control, enhanced weight loss, or simply a boost in energy and mood, the benefits of Berberine seem to resonate with a wide range of individuals. These stories have inspired me and many others to explore natural ways of supporting our health without always resorting to conventional medications. It's also worth mentioning that while the scientific evidence is very promising, our understanding of how natural supplements like Berberine work is always evolving. Researchers continue to study its effects, and every new study adds another piece to the puzzle. That's why I always try to stay updated with the latest findings and encourage others to do the same. Staying informed helps us make better choices about our health and ensures that we're using natural remedies in the most effective way possible. To sum it up, Berberine is a powerful natural compound with a host of benefits. Its ability to activate AMPK means that it can boost your metabolism, help regulate blood sugar, and even assist in weight loss. When you combine these effects with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a mindful approach to your daily habits, you create a supportive environment for your overall health. I truly believe that nature has a lot to offer us in the way of healing and maintenance. Berberine is just one example of how a naturally occurring substance can have profound effects on our bodies when used correctly. It's a reminder that sometimes the most effective solutions are found in the natural world, where traditional wisdom meets modern science. If you decide to give Berberine a try, remember that it's all about creating a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. There's no need for drastic changes. Sometimes it's the small, consistent habits that lead to the most significant improvements over time. I'm excited about the potential of Berberine, and I hope that by sharing what I've learned, you'll feel inspired to explore this natural remedy further. Before wrapping up, I want to emphasize that any health journey is personal. What works for one person may not work the same way for another, so it's important to be patient and adjust your routine based on your own experiences. The journey to better health is rarely a straight path, but every step you take, whether it's trying a new supplement like Berberine or making a small change in your diet, brings you closer to your goals. In closing, I'd like to encourage you to keep exploring and learning about the natural ways you can support your health. Whether you're looking for ways to manage your blood sugar, shed some extra weight, or simply feel more energetic throughout the day, natural remedies like Berberine offer a promising option. And remember, while it's important to rely on reputable scientific studies and expert advice, your own experiences and observations are just as valuable on this journey. If you have any questions or if you've already tried Berberine, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Sharing our stories can create a supportive community where we all learn from one another. After all, every step you take toward a healthier lifestyle is worth celebrating. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. And like and share this video with your friends. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it informative and inspiring. Thousands of people have benefited from Berberine, so I'm confident that it will help you lose weight and lower your blood sugar effectively and sustainably. Click the link in the description to visit the official website of Berberine supplement today at a promo price.